Well, I'm ready to start remodeling this room. Got some things I got to get done before I leave for the Philippines. And this is one of them. I got to remodel this bedroom. Got my music going. Got all my tools, paint, plaster, everything I need. Just gotta redo everything in here. Get rid of this 30-year-old wallpaper on the walls. This is where we used to have electric baseboard heat. Gotta fix that. Of course, put all new receptacles and everything in. Get rid of this thermostat and the holes in the walls. Bunches of holes. This room hadn't been redone and, well, it's been repainted, I guess, but it hadn't been remodeled in years. That's why that wallpaper's still there. Well, got a little project going here. I decided to paint the faces of these doors. This is West Chester. It's not really blue. Trying to make a decision here. I had to Okay, well, got the ceiling done, got the walls painted. Of course, still can't do this wall. Have to wait till I get everything else done. Get somebody to help me move that desk. That thing probably weighs 250 pounds. But got all the walls done, except for that one. The ceiling, all the holes patched, covered. All I got to do now is the trim work in the doors. What I got so far, everything looks good. Here's where that thermostat was at. And that's where the baseboard heat was at. Can't tell they was ever there now. And then when everything else is painted white, you can get some white blinds. Got white white receptacles and covers and light switch and all that. Got new ones in white, so that's gonna look good. Yeah, it's gonna look pretty good when I get done. Almost there. Alright. That's it for this one part. Continue later.